Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Ethan2. So today we're doing another cat video. But today we're playing Battle Cats. Okay, so we're gonna be playing Battle Cats. And now, you might have heard of Battle Cats before, but just if you haven't heard about this game, go check it out. This game is super fun. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Battle Cats. I just wanted to show you guys what this game's about. So, let's get into it. So, as you can see, I have made it all the way over to chapter 3. So, I've beat chapter 1 and chapter 2. I'm just trying to beat chapter 3 now. Because I get this guy. I've never beat chapter 3 before. I was only on. And I really want to get this guy. But I've never got him before. Because I don't know what beating the moon on this level looks like. I've got to chapter 4 before. And played through chapter 4. But I didn't get anywhere that much. So, we're going to India. Now, let's just show you all of my cats I have equipped. I have Macho Cat, Wall Cat, Brave Cat. Not that cat. This is a family-friendly channel. Okay, Giraffe Cat, UFO Cat. I don't have these guys on my things, but I do have Titan Cat. Oh, unit info? Okay. Special cats. Now I have Ninja Frog in place. I also have Devil Cat in place. I might need Kung Fu Cat. I don't know. But Vikler Cat, I should put her in here. I'm gonna drop the price for this girl for that girl. Okay? And then we're gonna do our rare cats. Now I don't think any rare cats are in my this guy. That's it. Okay, super rare cats. The face cat is in there too. Is in there, and that's it. Okay. So then we do uber super rare. Now this girl used to be in here, and this guy I really like because like he is so crazy. Like he's just like I don't know. He was so good, like, but now I can't spawn him anymore because he costs too much money. So let's attack. The battle begins. Alright. So usually I would spawn this guy first. Now guys, you don't start with Macho Cat. You start with regular cat. When you evolve regular cat to level 10, he becomes Macho Cat. And then after that, I believe he becomes something else. I don't know. But you aren't going to start with Brave Cat either. Brave Cat just starts as a little Axe Cat. And Ninja Cat is just a regular Ninja Cat. Now Face Cat, you have to get from the cat capitals. But I got Apple Cat. And I evolved Apple Cat from level 1 to 10. And when you get him to level 10, he turns to Face Cat.
And we know two of them right now, and they would do it in a heartbeat, but I don't want to do it. And John says he's fucking racist. I'm not fucking racist.
There's no one else I'd want to spend this time with.
I just don't believe in just I'm sorry. I don't think that's racist, though. Can I not say that?
Oh man. Okay, they got a hippo. Now, you guys might think like, oh, I already beat the hippo. Nah, fam. The hippo gets way worse the more like chapter you get on. So that's why he's getting hard to beat.
I'm like a black-white person. I listen to fucking rap music. I dance and I sing like black people. I'm not racist at all.
Look at all these cats. Now, Macho Cat's weak. Like, I'm talking weak, bro.
That's what I'm saying.
Now, people might think Macho Cat's really good, but that's because I'm on a high level. Look at my user rank. Some of you guys might have a bigger user rank than me, but I don't care. Okay, let's look at the Gamito. My Gamito is level 5, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 engineers, and I want to upgrade my base, but I don't know how to get these materials. So, wait, can I can upgrade my wallet. Okay, we're gonna upgrade my wallet a little bit.
Okay, well, by the luck of the Irish.
Okay, boom, there we go.
Okay, well, look at the
Start.
What?
Now, what do we start as?
Who cares? Anyways.
Okay, 1,600. So that'll be enough to get the devil cat at least. What happens? Oh my gosh. Okay. So we're gonna get to, I'm trying to do this so we can get to the Vikler cat, and the Ephraim cat, whatever his name is, the Pokey cat. That's what I call him, Pokey cat. It's Pokemon, but a cat version of that Pokemon. Now, guys, you're probably wondering, Ethan, what do you do when you sit around and play video games? A little bit, yeah. That's mostly what I do, but sometimes I'll go outside and play with my friends Gus and Toby when it's a good day. But most of the times it ain't really a good day, so I barely play with them. But I'll probably play with them in the springtime and the summertime. And now at my intermediate school, which is 3rd grade, Nutter Fort Intermediate, we're having spring soccer tryouts, and I don't know if I want to go, because if I go, I can't quit, because I have to pay $70 every person. So I don't know if I could do that. But yeah, that's probably, yeah, I don't know.
But he didn't really say that. I never actually woke him up. I just said that.
Victory Royale. Yeah, I got a number 130 Royale. Just wiped out Tomato Town. 10 kills on the board right now. Just wiped out Tomato Town. 10 kills on the board right now. Just wiped out Tomato Town. 10 kills on the board right now. Just wiped out Tomato Town. What? Okay, 1,700. So then, if we upgrade this,
No, I don't want him to know or Sean to know.
okay, 3,000. We have enough to get the mythical Titan cat. I don't know if we'll have time to do that. I'm gonna spawn this devil cat to hold him up. Now, the devil cat used to be a little innocent zombie cat. Now he's a devil. Like, he ain't playing around, cuz. Okay, now I spawned this guy to hold up the weight for my mythical Titan cat, because I really want to get him out and see what his powers are. But I've had the mythical Titan out before, and trust me, bro, he's kind of bad.
I've never slept with a black. I've never done anything. And he's like telling this dude all this shit. So this dude walks in, but he's so fucking nervous he won't make the first move. Because he's too scared.
Mommy.
Most dudes are not scared.
Mommy.
But he was.
Mommy. Can you tell me when you're about to pour them in the bowl? Now, because I want,
soon.
Don't pour them in the bowl yet. Just say, Ethan, when you're about to pour them in the bowl, because I have an idea to do something.
She's a little bit more bitchy. Okay, ready?
too, you know what I mean?
I am ready to shower.
Alrighty, guys.
Yeah, it's your friend.
Alright, guys. So, now what I need to do is.
Guys, I just want to thank everyone for coming out here to International Waters. It's a beautiful resort. And I was telling Mom before that you guys are not.
She knew you were saying that's why she was scared.
So tomorrow is a big day. It's a beach day.
Oh, they got big penguins out here, bro.
Listen, Bill Gates. Okay, he genetically engineered those mosquitoes to come after me. To a great first day.
Ew, seriously, bro?
Yeah.
Mike's malfunctioning.
No, look.
Alrighty. Yeah. We're doing it. We're doing it.
24 hours a day human, so we have to go to bed.
No!
I'm not pushing it because I brought people to take care of him. That's why.
Okay, I guess I'll do this one.
The way you said it, I didn't like it. Everybody's tired.
I think we're all tired.
Yell at me. I don't care. Everybody yell at me. I can take it.
Yeah, baby, we gotta get him out of here, boy. Yeah. Yeah, get out of here, cuz. That's what I'm talking about. Get him, Devil Cat. Get him, Devil Cat. You better not get hit, Devil. Oh my god, bro. This man got hit. This man literally got hit. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Even, you know, God didn't even do anything. Well, I mean, he did.
On Teen Mom Family Reunion.
Yeah, he did something. He weakened them so that he weakened their health so that I'd be able to, like, kill them easily. So, yeah, you did do something. But, like, my Devil Cat had to finish him off.
Same ghetto to a group of black
Dubai.
folks in
But still, thank you, Cat God.
Stay and be a part of
I am Cat Army forever. Because I don't know why, but I was born to love cats.
all reunions.
And I do. Wait a second, I smell something.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. I think we are going to end the video here. Hope you enjoyed this Battle Cats video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.